Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike. Today we will fit an armrest for in between the front seats. It's pretty easy, it's pretty low quality, but it is for this car. Only goes 4 screws in here, and that's about it. It fits right over the cup holders for the back. So let's get on it.
A few moments later.
Right, so basically it's in. It was 2 screws on either side with a plug on it. So you can see it's sturdy enough. I don't even know the brand of this thing, but that's not important. The most important thing is it is in. Was an easy fix, like a half a minute of work, but it makes a huge difference in the driving style. So yeah, was easy. Alright guys, so this was an easy fix, but it's very eye-catching. Quality is debatable, like I said. I believe it's AliExpress quality, but it's there, it works. Easy fix, something I could do and something I did. Yeah, so all you needed was an electric screwdriver and a bit, and that's about it. It's ready. So yeah, short video, but if you like this, do a thumbs up for me that I fixed it, and I will see you next time. And do not forget to subscribe. Alright guys?